If you're choosing between the AOC Q27G3XMN and the Xiaomi G Pro 27i, this is one of the most interesting monitor matchups right now, because both use mini LED but feel completely different in real use. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. The AOC Q27G3XMN is all about contrast and HDR impact. It uses a VA panel with mini LED backlighting, which means you get much deeper blacks and more dramatic HDR experience. It's Visa Display DR 1000 certified, with very high brightness and strong local dimming, making it especially good for darkroom gaming and cinematic content. The trade-off is typical VA behavior. You may notice some motion smearing and weaker viewing angles. The Xiaomi G Pro 27 takes a more balanced approach. It uses an IPS mini LED panel, which gives you better color accuracy, more consistent colors across the screen, and much wider viewing angles. This makes it better not just for gaming, but also for content creation and everyday use. Motion clarity is also cleaner, especially in fast-paced games. The downside is contrast. Blacks won't look as deep as the AOC, so HDR feels slightly less punchy. So the real difference is this: AOC focuses on immersion, while Xiaomi focuses on accuracy and balance. If you mainly game in darker environments and want the most impressive HDR and contrast, the AOC Q27G3XMN is the better choice. If you want a more versatile monitor with better colors, cleaner motion, and wider viewing angles, the Xiaomi G Pro 27i is the better overall pick. Bottom line, AOC wins for HDR and contrast, while Xiaomi wins for color accuracy and all-around usability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.